Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to use Bluevine for dropshipping businesses. Running a dropshipping business means constant cash flow management, and Bluevine helps to streamline this process. Here's how to use it effectively. First step, open a Bluevine business checking account if you haven't done so already. But if you have, move on to create sub-accounts for key categories such as supplier payments, ad spends, and profit reserves. Connect your e-commerce platform or payment processors to Bluevine by entering your routing and account numbers. Route all store payouts into your Bluevine accounts. You can pay suppliers directly through ACH transfers, wire payments, or debit card transactions from Bluevine. You can also track order-related expenses by labeling or categorizing transactions in your dashboard. Also export monthly cash flow reports to evaluate profit margins and adjust ads or supplier budgets. This setup ensures that all of your dropshipping income and expenses run through one streamlined Bluevine hub. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.